In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll move quickly but clearly so you can follow along without getting stuck. First, we need to get into the editor fast. The easiest way is to search for a template. Use the search bar or browse categories. Then pick any template that's close to what you need, or even a simple one, just to open the editor. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. The goal is simply to get inside the workspace where all the AI tools live. Once the editor opens, look to the left sidebar and find the Apps panel. This is where you'll access the AI features. If you're focusing on writing, locate Magic Write. You can also use the search within Apps to find AI essay writes. Type that in, select it, and then click Generate. Give it a short, clear prompt so the tool knows exactly what you want. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your prompt and generate again. Small changes in wording can produce much better results. You can paste the generated text onto your canvas or keep it in your notes while you explore other features. Next, turn your attention to the top of the editor and click Magic BG. This tool helps you enhance or transform the background of your design. Use it to create a cleaner look behind your text or visuals, or to quickly switch styles. If something looks off after applying it, undo and try a slightly different approach. Subtle adjustments usually give more polished outcomes. When you're happy with your design and text, head to the upper right and select Share, then Download. Here's how to choose the best format. PNG is ideal for crisp graphics, transparent backgrounds, and high-quality images. JPG is great when you want a smaller file size for photos or quick sharing. MP4 is the choice for video or animated elements that need smooth playback. GF works for short looping animations or simple motion where you don't need sound. PDF is perfect for documents, presentations, or anything you plan to print or share professionally. Before you finalize, check the resolution or size settings to match where your content will be used, web, social, or print, and give your file a clear name so it's easy to find later. That's it. Open a template to jump into the editor, use Magic Write and AI essay writes to generate strong copy, refine with Magic BG at the top, then share and download in the format that fits your goal. Follow these steps, and you'll move from idea to polished output in minutes.